Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm making my sticky barbecue ribs with a bit of an Asian twist. So I have a lot of ribs here. These are lovely pork ribs. You can pick these up anywhere. If you go to the butchers, you can get them cut up. You can also pick them up nowadays in the supermarkets, which is fantastic. So it's a very easy process. It does take a little while to do, but on a miserable day like this, what else would you be doing anyways? And to make things easy for the washing up, I'm going to line my tray. In with the pork ribs. 4 cloves of garlic, and no need to peel. Simply press down on them just to crush. And a tablespoon of whole peppercorns. And about 100 mils of water. This is just going to give off some steam and really make super tender ribs. And a little more foil just to tent all that steam and keep it in the tin. And into the oven with these for about 1 hour and 45 minutes until the meat is coming away from the bone. Ribs are almost ready, so I'm going to get on with the sauce. I need a tablespoon of gochujang paste, and I want 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Just to increase the sweetness a little, tablespoon of caster sugar, not an awful lot. Then I want, again for sweetness and saltiness, ketchup mayonnaise. It's like a sweet soy ketchup, and I want 2 tablespoons of that. And then I want 2 teaspoons this time of light soy sauce, so you can think of that really as 2/3 of a tablespoon. And then a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Very difficult to say. We'll just give these a little stir together. Right, time to get my ribs from the oven. And I just want to turn the temperature up because these are going back in. You can see that they're tender and soft. Now, so what we want to do at this stage is just to discard the liquid. And then I'm going to transfer them to my bowl of fiery red chili paste. Trust me, they'll look a lot better than this in 15 minutes. Just toss all the ribs in this paste. Make sure they're all coated. And this is why I lined the base of the tin, because this is quite a sweet sauce. It gets very sticky, and it just helps with the washing up if it's foil lined. try your best. I know there's quite a few ribs here, but to have them in a single layer so they all equally get scorched and caramelized in the oven. And any remaining sauce can just be plopped in on top. And don't forget, for all the recipe info, check out the description box below for full details. So this is just going to go back in for a further 15 minutes to the 215 degree oven, just until these get very scorched. Which gives me just enough time to get on with chopping my chilies, scallions, and preparing the rest of the sprinklage. They're so tender, so good. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you'll be updated every time I upload a new video. And thanks for watching. Yeah, I better be left alone before I make a mess.